Okay, so I was just gonna take pictures, but I'm like, hey, wait a minute. Oh, I have a camera. I had to hear what the guy said. He sounded kind of mad, and that's kind of scary considering that tree is right by the house. Kayla, you gonna watch a tree fall? You gonna watch a tree fall? Huh? We're just gonna back up a little bit. Come on. Cause I just don't. I'm scared. I don't want to be smushed. I know. So let's just. I'm pretty sure we're in safe distance. Do they actually scream timber? Oh, there it goes. I'm such a dork. Cool.
Wow, that was cool. That was cool.
There's Dad. That was cool, huh?
Yeah.
He didn't say timber though. I'm kind of disappointed. This is a timber. All right, it's done now though. So let's take pictures.